To take a screenshot in Firefox, press the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+S. This will open the screenshot dialog box, providing you with the options to capture either the entire page or just the visible part of the screen. Firefox also allows you to capture specific elements or draw a custom frame around the area you want to capture. Once you make your choice, you will have the option to save the screenshot to the clipboard or to save as a PNG file. By the way, if you'd like, you can add the screen capture shortcut to the toolbar or the right-click contextual menu. To do this, click on the menu icon, go to More Tools, and select Customize Toolbar. In the toolbox, right-click on Screenshot and choose the option Add to Toolbar. When you do that, the screenshot shortcut will appear in the top right corner, right next to the address bar. Additionally, when you right-click anywhere on a web page, you'll see an option to take a screenshot.